Hello, this is MechaJ1. Well, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been awfully busy. We just got back from vacation and then school started, so haven't really had much time to do anything in the workshop. But so hopefully some more videos will be coming soon. But here's a little circuit I built. I just took 3 normal 5-5 timer circuits and connected them together. So the output of this one goes to the, the reset pin, the number 4 pin. So the pin right here that would be normally connected to power. So I have that connected to a pull down resistor to pull it down to 0 volts, and then, or right here, pull it down to 0 volts, and then the output of this one goes right there, so that so it turns the chip on. So the chip is always on, but this actually turns it on. I mean, it has power all the time, but this turns it on. So I have 3 different values of capacitors here, and so it makes a cool sound effect. So I'll just turn it on. So it kind of does Morse code, I guess you could say. It like does 3 ons in a row. But then you can change the frequencies here. So yeah, I just thought that was a cool little circuit, really simple. So yeah, and I also just built this not too long ago, a Starship coil. It didn't turn out very well. When I took it off of my form, it got all messed up, so I might not be using heavy enough wire, but I don't know. So, well, I held the corners there together with just wrapping some wire around it. That seemed to work pretty good, although that might be part of the reason it got messed up. Most people use zip ties, so it's a lot faster. But yeah, that works fairly well, I guess. Didn't do quite what I wanted to, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Not too much else. Got this plasma TV here. Somebody gave me this. And it seems as though this board is bad. It does the LED on the front. I think it flashes like 7 times, and that indicates this board is bad, or one of these 2 boards is bad. And I've figured out that this board is bad, but then the other day I was testing around with my voltmeter right here, and I accidentally, it popped off the fuse there and hit there, and it made a little spark, and now it's telling me that the power supply board is bad. So that's not too good, but it's, I don't know, you can buy a flat screen for like, I don't know, $500, and it might cost for a new board at least $150, so it's not really worth it to fix it. So, and they're power hogs too, these old plasmas. So but yeah, not too much else happening. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. They should be coming soon. Thanks for watching.